Hi everyone, this is Prithvi Prabhu. You are 16CS309. I'm here to explain a small star pattern using Java. I've used Eclipse as the IDE here, and the pattern goes like this: diamond shaped numbers surrounded by stars, in which it follows a similar pattern in each line. That is, a star will be printed first, followed by the number, and again followed by the star. If we notice, the stars on both the sides will be same, and the numbers will increase or decrease in odd number wise. It will be increasing like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and decreasing like 7, 5, 3, like that. It is the same pattern for any number of lines we need to print. And I've generated a program here to create this pattern. Let me explain how it works. I've created a class here and main method, and inside that I've declared z is equal to 5, a variable. This z denotes the number of lines, the first half, and to create the other half we'll use another method. I'll tell you in this program. And if it is 5, only first half can be created. So to create a diamond shape we need to have a full number of lines, and to find the number of lines I'm using another variable n, which can be found out by multiplying the number of lines which you get as the input into 2 minus 1. That if it is 5, 9 lines will be printed with fifth line as the middle one. And for every line uh, we need to a pattern will be just star, number and star. That pattern will be formed, and after that a new line should be formed. For that I'm using this loop and using this command println to create a new line every time the loop runs. And I denotes the lines, number of lines, as increasing, the initialized as 1, and it grows, and it goes till the end, that is till 9 it will run. And inside that we have two conditions, that is if it is less than z or greater than z. As I've told earlier, if it is less than z it will be uh, some pattern will be formed, and for the decreasing numbers another pattern will be formed. Inside that, since because the stars are in the same pattern, I'm using here these two for loops, which is which follows the same condition, in which the initialized number is z minus 1. Z is 5 here, so the initialized will be 4, and it should be greater than or equal to 1 first time, and next time it increases as 2, and next time 3, and next time 4, and then for the last time it won't print. So the stars will be printed as 4, 3, 2, 1, and for the other half it will be in the increasing order. Here it will be in the increasing order in these two for loops, and in this condition the pattern will be like 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the star. And in between that, to print the numbers, I given only two numbers, ones and zeros, and I've given a condition like that, in which if I is odd, 1 will be printed, and if I is even, zeros will be printed, but it increases like 1, 3, 5, and 7. It won't increase as 1, 2, 3, and all. And if it is printing like 1, 3, and 5, and 7, it will form a clear diamond shape, those numbers. For that, I've given a condition here. I've initialized as 1 in the loop till I start 2 minus 1. That is, since it is increasing 1, 3, and 5, 7, we can give it as like this. For like second line it will be like 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 3 times the number will be repeated. and for the next time 3 star 2 minus 1, it will be 5 times, like that it follows. And for the other half over here, I've declared a variable here y is equal to n minus 1. N is the total number of lines, that is 9, and I is the iteration which is going on here. If it is greater than 5, that is it will be, if it is 6, 7, 8 or 9, automatically y will be formed. And let's take now it as 6, and so y will be n minus I, that is 9 minus 6, 3 will be here. So in these two loops, uh, I've given the initialized as y star 2 minus y star 2 plus 1, whereas before it was I star 2 minus 1. It was it was increasing, and now it is decreasing. So this time y means 3 star 2 plus 1, 7. And once it decreases, next time iteration it will be 2 star 2 minus plus 1 will be 5. So it decreases like that, 7, 5, 3 and 1. Finally it ends as 0. So every time this loop runs, the whole loop runs, and every time a new line will be formed according to that according to the iteration, these lines will be formed, this pattern will be formed. And if it is first half, the first pattern will be formed, and for the second half this pattern will be formed. And let's run the program and see a pattern is formed. If you want to change, if you want to increase the number of lines, you can change it in the z. I'm giving it as 6 now. Another pattern will be formed. This is how this program works. Thanks.